Hey, hello and welcome to the new episode of AV Fix. Now,
In this episode, we'll quickly look at some of the USB ports. Okay, so same port, same shape, same size, one works, one doesn't. That could be USB-C. There are at least 6 different versions hiding behind the identical connector, and some don't work for the videos at all. So let's deep dive into further details. Same port on 2 different laptops. One delivers 4K while the other one nothing, no error, just black screen. IT spend R on it, it's just different USB-C version. This happens every week in corporate AV. The cable lottery. Okay, so here is the worst part. The cable has no idea what it's capable of. So you can plug in a 40 gigabyte Thunderbolt cable into USB 2.0 port and it works fine for charging and vice versa, but nothing for the video. Okay, so the port decides what happens. The cable is just a passenger. The symbols. Okay, look for a lightning bolt symbol. That's Thunderbolt. Full video, full speed, does everything. No symbol, check the laptop spec and before you install it. Takes 2 minutes and saves hours on site. Now, how to check? Alright, quick check that you can do is on Windows, go into Device Manager, look for Thunderbolt controllers. Mac, go into About This Mac and Connectivity. And in any of the meeting room, just label the right cables, like one for video and one for your audio, or one for camera. As far as you label them correctly, you won't go wrong. Hopefully this helps. Thank you very much.